How to change your age on TikTok account. If you accidentally entered the wrong birth date when signing up for TikTok, you can change your age directly through the app settings or by contacting TikTok support. This tutorial will guide you through both methods to ensure that your account reflects the correct information. So let's get started. So first, open the TikTok app and make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see on the video, if your account is logged in, tap the Profile tab at the bottom right of the screen. While we are in the Profile tab, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. The menu appears. Just tap the Settings and Privacy tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Settings and Privacy tab, tap the Account tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the Account tab, tap the Account Information so that we can access your own info. While we are in the Account Information, tap the Date of Birth tab to enter the date of birth. From here, just tap the Birth Date tab to change your birth date. From here, you can edit your birth date. After editing your birth date, tap the Save button to save your edited birth date. Changing your age on TikTok can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Start by checking your current settings, try editing your birth date, and if that's not possible, don't hesitate to contact TikTok support. Ensuring your profile has the correct information helps in maintaining compliance with TikTok's community guidelines.